Happy Saturday! I'm here at my open house in Oceanside. It's in the senior community of Ocean Hills Country Club. Let me show you around. This is the St. Tropez duplex model. It's listed at $1.15 million. It's very open, has tons of natural light, and you have tile plank flooring throughout the interior. The kitchen has been renovated in the past 2 years with quartz countertop and shaker cabinets. The den area has skylights and built-in cabinets. The interior is 1880 square feet of living space and sits on just over 5,000 square foot lot. There are 2 bedrooms and the master has an attached ensuite bathroom. The second bedroom also has a lot of natural light. Second bathroom has skylights and a laundry room next to the 2-car attached garage. It's a very open and airy feel with high ceilings. The coast is only 3.5 miles away. The patio in the back faces the west. You can enjoy spectacular sunsets and ocean breezes throughout the day. This is also one of the few units with an ingrown private pool. The HOA includes access to tennis, 18-hole golf course with no green fees, a junior Olympic-sized swimming pool and spa. There's also a 24-hour gated security. If you're thinking about buying or selling, give me a ring.